Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you a simple way on how to build an app with order forms and text. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below this video to the description and click on the first link you find there. Then, you're going to come across this platform, Glide. Glide is a platform that lets you create custom apps without coding. You can use your own data from spreadsheets and connect it to various components and actions to build interactive and beautiful apps. Glide also uses AI to power your apps and make them smarter. You can share your apps with anyone using a simple link or a QR code. Glide works on any device and adapts to any screen size. So, after clicking the link in the description, now you need to sign up to Glide. You can choose to sign up with your Google or your email address. Once you have completed the sign up process, you'll be directed to your Glide account. Now, building an app with order forms and text is a straightforward process. First, start by clicking the New App button. A pop-up window will appear where you'll need to enter your app's name in the Name Your App field. Then, decide whether the app is intended for mobile or large screens. For this guide, we'll select the mobile option for demonstration purposes. Once you've made your selection, click on the Continue button. The next step involves choosing the source of your data. The options available include Glide tables, Google Sheets, Excel, Airtable, and importing a file. For our example, we're utilizing the Glide tables option. After making your selection, click the Create App button. Be patient as this process may take a few moments, after which you'll be directed to the Glide editor. The Glide editor is where the design magic happens. Since our objective is to create an app with order forms and texts, we will add a form component. To do this, navigate to the left menu and click on the plus button next to the Components option. A sidebar will appear with different components. From here, scroll down to the Forms section and select the Form Container component. This adds the form to your app, and you should now see it under the Components section in the left menu. Now, let's configure the action to be taken after a form is submitted. Click on the Form Container option from the left menu and navigate to the right side of the editor. Here, you'll find the After Submit Action section. Click on the Configure Action drop-down menu and hover over the Communication option. This will reveal several options like Compose Email, Compose SMS, etc. Choose the action that suits your needs. Once everything is set up and you're satisfied with your app, it's time to publish. Click on the Publish button located at the top right corner of the editor to make your app live. Finally, sharing your app is as easy as clicking on the Share button, also located at the top right corner of the editor. Here, you'll find multiple sharing options, including a QR code, a direct link, or inviting users via email. And that's it. If you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can. You can also watch my Jotform tutorial on my YouTube channel for more understanding. Thanks for watching, and take care.